In this video, I'm going to provide 2 no-talking work-from-home businesses that basically pay you to listen to calls, perform audits, review calls, audit calls, etc. Hence, you're just going to be listening to calls. Of course, some of these businesses could want you to do extra work as well, but these jobs are not the ones that involve providing phone-based customer support. Please be aware that depending on when you view this video, the job posting may not be active. This might be due to a spike in traffic to the job advertising or a position being filled, so such an issue does occur. Finding these kinds of positions and possibilities may be extremely tough and demanding, so once I do, I'll try my best to share them with you as quickly as I can. The 2 businesses that I'm going to discuss with you in this video are both actively hiring and operate in a very similar manner, requiring you to listen in on calls without contributing much or doing any speaking. Depending on the employer and the job title, the company might pay up to $48 per hour. It might vary depending on your expertise, the firm, and the particular features and tasks listed in the job posting. It may pay anywhere from $13 to almost $48 per hour. Hence, let's begin. The first firm is one named Humanadic.com. They have been operating for quite a long time and provide a variety of work-from-home tasks, including customer service-alike roles. Now, as you can see on your screen, they frequently have people who work remotely from home. They do employ agents to assess calls from the comfort of their own homes while wearing pajamas, and they are compensated for doing so. You are just required to listen to these calls and examine them in accordance with the instructions they will provide you. You are not required to talk to anyone or answer the phone. As a result, you may hear a recorded phone conversation, click a button to respond to a straightforward question, and get paid. To get started with this opportunity, you may sign up for free. I don't think there will be any interviews or resume or CV submissions for this position, so applying online should be rather easy. Since they are the easiest call reviewing, call listening, and call paying firm, I wanted to share them first. However, the money may not be the best. I've seen reviews claiming that the salary for this profession can be rather poor, so I try to locate and research as much as I can to get an idea and be as precise as possible. In terms of how much they pay per hour, if you get the job, I was able to find out that the typical compensation for this work is an amount that ranges from $13 to $35. It is their typical, so I'm not 100%, but that's what I found, so don't quote me here. They offer the greatest chance for listening to calls jobs on my list, but don't take my word for it, I am simply adding them to the list because of what they state. I just wanted to briefly cover them first. Have you ever contacted a business and the operators informed you that the call was being recorded? If so, that's Humanadic. They assist their clients in reviewing their calls before giving them analytical reports. This useful information aids in enhancing both sales and customer support. The advantages are that you may choose your own hours and earn as little or as much as you like, so I suppose they're flexible with both your schedule and your pay. So, everything relies on the amount of labor you put in. It's one of those kinds of businesses where you can work as much as you want and yet make the greatest money. As you develop, you will unlock other categories that will give you more opportunity to make more money. Initially, you have access to the 2 simplest call categories. The good news is that you get paid each week since they do pay weekly. As stated below, you are not required to make or receive phone calls, conduct a live discussion, participate as a third party in a live conversation, or transcribe the entire call in order to use the service. So once more, all you're doing is reviewing, listening to, and evaluating calls. They currently have thousands of users worldwide, similar to you. I'm not sure if this position is available outside of the United States, but apply nevertheless to test your application's limits. Thus, in order to protect the security of financial information, employees receive payments through the widely utilized PayPal service. They utilize PayPal because they believe it is safe, since it offers a secure and efficient method of money transaction. You may make as much or as little money as you wish by just listening to and analyzing phone conversations. They pay weekly via PayPal. Moreover, please give your feedback by leaving a comment below on this video if you have experience with this firm to help others get an idea of what to expect. Next is this job listing, which represents the following work-from-home opportunity. It's comparable to listening to and assessing phone conversations, and this organization constantly seems to be seeking qualified analysts. Currently, the quality analyst's job is to conduct quality assurance audits on chats, emails, and phone conversations. The analysts will evaluate and assign grades for technical correctness, compliance rules, and procedures for customer interaction events. Part-time personnel will be scheduled for reporting and training, and a regular working week will be comprised of 2 shifts of 4 hours each, available from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time frame. They appear to have a flexible schedule here, and it shows all the shifts here so that you may go over them to determine which one is convenient for you. You must be able to effectively complete each necessary task for this job in order to succeed. The prerequisites stated are an accurate reflection of the necessary knowledge, skills, and/or abilities. They thus ask that you have a secure at-home office, type at least 35 words per minute with 85% accuracy, have a home computer with Microsoft Word, have a basic understanding of computers, have great verbal and writing communication skills, and meet other requirements. There are many qualifications they want you to have, but not a lot of job experience. Therefore, they are not necessarily requiring you to have experience, quote-unquote previous experience, but rather to be able to perform these fundamental computer tasks. The goal of quality management is to enhance and develop quality, a good sense of decision-making, effective planning, organizational abilities, etc. If you do possess some language abilities, you must be well versed in both written and spoken communication. In relation to this viewpoint, they do ask that you be immunized, which may put you off if you're not in favor of vaccination. This business is another one on my list that hires people to audit calls, emails, and chats while listening in on calls without talking on the phone. So it appears that they constantly have this post open. In order to find out how much they pay per hour, I performed some research and discovered that this occupation might pay somewhere between $40 and $48 per hour, which is a lot of money. Overall, these are two no-talking jobs that don't require you to have previous experience and can earn you a decent living. I hope you found some valuable information in this video, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom. And you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.